Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Get ready, because we're unpacking a complete analytical guide to building a viral, totally faceless YouTube channel right from scratch. And honestly, the best part? We're going to do this by reverse engineering a strategy that literally doesn't require a massive budget, no expensive cameras, and zero need to actually put your face on camera. We're looking at exactly how creators are using completely free AI tools to absolutely dominate the algorithm right now.
To make this super actionable for you, we've broken it down into a 5-step roadmap. We'll be hitting niche and branding, the content engine, scripting secrets, the production line, and finally, the packaging. So let's just get right into it.
Okay, let's dive into this, because this is exactly why we're paying attention today. 192,000. That's the exact number of subscribers a channel named Modern Ideas managed to gain by uploading just 12 videos. Seriously, 12. In just a couple of months, they were generating thousands of dollars. And the crazy thing is, they aren't alone. There are multiple channels replicating this exact same growth curve as we speak. So how on earth are they doing it?
Well, they're using YouTube automation. This is basically a content creation engine where artificial intelligence handles almost all of the heavy lifting. We're talking ideation, scripting, generating these incredibly deep voiceovers, and even sourcing all the visuals. It completely shatters the traditional barriers to entry. You don't need to be some charismatic on-camera presenter, and you definitely don't have to spend a single dime on premium software to get this off the ground.
The sheer contrast in efficiency here is just staggering. Think about the old-school, traditional YouTube grind. You're spending days writing out a script, fiddling with lighting, doing take after take, and then agonizing over a timeline in your editing software. But with the AI automation approach, you're replacing days of manual labor with literal minutes of smart AI prompting and generation. You are trading intense manual effort for highly leveraged systems. It's a total game changer.
All right, step 1, niche and branding. This is your foundation. So the specific blueprint we're dissecting today focuses squarely on the self-improvement niche. Why? Because the growth opportunities there are massive and it has a fantastic RPM, which just means advertisers are paying top dollar for it. But naturally, the competition is fierce. To cut through the noise, these successful channels use a very distinct aesthetic style. It's highly minimalistic and it uses a dominant color strategy of red and white. Red naturally grabs our attention, forcing people to stop scrolling, which creates an instant hook. Now, you might be wondering how to actually get that high-end branding without shelling out cash for a graphic designer. Well, here's your answer. You can feed this exact prompt to ChatGPT. First, just have it brainstorm a unique channel name for you, and then use this prompt to generate unique, niche-appropriate branding concepts in seconds. You literally just let the AI suggest the visual layout, and then you pick the one that fits your vibe best. Easy, right? Moving on to step 2, the content engine, finding those viral ideas. Okay, before we hand the reins completely over to AI, there's a little bit of manual research required. First, you gotta find and follow 10 top competitors in the faceless self-improvement space. Step 2, jump onto their channels and sort their videos by popular. Step 3, you're looking for common core concepts. Like maybe you notice a daily routine video that just went totally viral across 3 different channels. Once you've gathered a solid list of those proven concepts, you're ready for step 4. And this brilliantly illustrates how we turn that raw data into absolute gold. You take those lists and paste them into ChatGPT, right alongside this exact prompt. The AI will then analyze exactly why those specific competitor videos worked so well, and it's going to spit out months' worth of guaranteed viral topics customized just for you. So instead of just blindly copying, you get these highly effective new variations, like how to waste your potential without realizing it. Next up is step 3, the scripting secrets. This is all about audience retention. To practically guarantee people keep watching, we use what's called the script extraction method. First, search for your new topic on YouTube. You want to find a highly successful video that has the perfect pacing and tone for your audience. A great example might be one of those super punchy anime motivation videos. Next, download that video and extract its transcript using a free tool like TurboScribe. Finally, you take that raw transcript and hand it straight over to ChatGPT. You are absolutely going to want to save this specific ChatGPT prompt. By using this, you're essentially commanding the AI to completely and legally capture the energetic pacing, the hook strategy, and the overall tone of a proven video. But it's going to write a completely original 4-minute script centered around your new topic. It perfectly merges a winning psychological structure with your own fresh ideas. It's so powerful. Okay, step 4, the production line. Time for voiceover and editing. Let's break down this zero-cost tech stack so you know exactly what does what. For the voiceover, we're relying on 11 Labs to generate that deep, intense, motivational audio. For the visuals, we actually skip those complicated AI video generators entirely and instead use sites like playphrase.com or Clip Cafe to find exact movie clips matching specific keywords. Finally, we just pull that audio and the clips into CapCut to assemble the whole thing and auto-generate some really dynamic captions. Oh, real quick, before we move off the voiceovers, here is an incredible insider trick. 11 Labs gives you a free limit of 10,000 characters, which is definitely enough for a few videos. But whatever you do, don't just paste your entire script in all at once. Generate your voiceover in smaller chunks, like 200 to 300 words at a time. This basically forces the AI to process the emotion and expression way more accurately, which gives you a top-tier, incredibly human-sounding result. So, the crucial point here is how we handle these movie clips in the edit. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT to analyze your script and suggest visual keywords for every 3 seconds of the audio. Step 2, you go out and download those specific clips. And step 3, and listen, this is non-negotiable. When you assemble this in CapCut, you must keep every single clip strictly under 3 seconds. This incredibly fast pacing entirely avoids copyright issues while keeping the viewer's attention spiked to the absolute maximum. And finally, step 5, the packaging. Viral thumbnails. Because let's face it, your amazing video will completely flop without an irresistible visual hook. The thumbnail trend that is just dominating click-through rates in this space right now is called modern stoicism aesthetics. It circles back to our branding step. It's a highly minimalist visual style that relies on intense, high contrast, pure black, bright red, and stark white. These thumbnails usually depict some intense human emotion or an identity crisis, which instantly sparks curiosity and basically forces the viewer to click just to find the solution. But seriously, you do not need to overthink this. Just take this prompt, toss it into ChatGPT, and it's going to generate 3 awesome concepts along with the exact image generation prompts you need. You then take those results, paste them directly into a free tool like Leonardo AI, and within moments, you'll have these highly stylized, perfectly contrasted, instantly clickable thumbnails. If you know a little Photoshop, sure, you can tweak the text, but the AI is literally doing 99% of the work here. So there you have it. We've just reverse engineered an entire automated YouTube empire, from the initial branding all the way to the final packaging, using entirely free tools. The exact blueprint is right in front of you. So the only thing left for us to ask is, what will your AI channel's name be? Take the ideas from this explainer, open up a new tab, and start building. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive, and I will see you in the next one.